Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add video to your WooCommerce products gallery. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to plugins and we will need to add a plugin that will allow us to add videos to products. So from here, you will need just to click add new plugin and then we need just to search video gallery or products video gallery. So let's just type products video and from there we will need just to search for this one and basically we will need to add it into our plugins so we will be able to add videos to our products. So as you can see there are many ones and we want something that would be suitable with WooCommerce. And basically there is this product video gallery for WooCommerce. So I'm just going to click on install now and after that I will need just to activate it. So either we wait for the activate button to show or you can go to installed plugins and then activate it. So here we see that the product is activated and now we need to go to our products. So as you can see now, our products page has added another option which is products video WC or WooCommerce. Now all you need to do is to start having your products or the video thumbnail either for all products, etc., etc. You will need just to uh, change these settings so you can have, for example, a slider responsive and many other options. And you will need just to click on save changes. So now you can start going to your all products, and from there you can choose any product or edit, and you will need to add a media, and from there you can start adding the video for your products. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.